I do too.
Oh, I bet my surprise is bigger.
I seriously doubt it.
I brought back parsnips. I'm going to make hazelnut soup for dinner. Your favorite surprise.
Rapunzel! I have a surprise!
I do too, actually.
But I think the surprise is bigger than you, darling.
No, I don't think you got it.
Rapunzel, you see? I got the parsnip and I can cook for you the hazelnut soup, your favorite surprise.
Yeah, Mother, there's actually something...
Rapunzel. You know, I hate leaving you after a fight, especially I'm absolutely the naughty one, Rapunzel.
Okay, and I've been thinking a lot about what you said earlier.
A star again? I don't want to hear about that, you know, my darling?
They're floating lights, but yeah, but I was kind of working up to it.
I think we brought up this issue before. And Mama, really boring to hear about the star.
But no, Mother, I've been telling you that you don't think I'm strong enough to be out there on my own.
Rapunzel, of course I know you don't strong enough to handle yourself out there. This is a scary thing. A lot of things out there.
No, but if you just once, just listen to me. Just give me a chance, because I know what I'm doing, Mother.
Rapunzel.
Please, just come on, please.
Rapunzel! You don't have an other life, Rapunzel. You don't allow to leave the tower ever. Girls, look at me like that. Right. I become the bad guy now in your eyes, right? All the thing I do for you, just want good for you. And I become a bad mother. Oh,
well, actually, what I was going to tell you is that I know what I want for my birthday now.
And what's that?
New paint. The one made from the white shells you once got me.
We'll take a long day trip, Rapunzel. So much take 3 days time.
I know, but I just thought it was a better idea than stars.
Are you sure you will ride on your own?
I know I'm safe as long as I'm here.
I always worry about you. You know, Rapunzel, Mama always loves you.
I love you more.
I love you most, my darling. Alright, I will be back in 3 days. Take care of yourself.
Bye, Mother.